Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install Aria vent. If you watch my last two videos, I did leveling in the house, which is sloping to one side a lot, and now I'm doing glue down installation, almost finished. It's my last day installation. I installed in this house 10 area vents, and it was perpendicular to the floor direction and parallel floor direction. So this is the most trouble installation when it's perpendicular, because you have to cut few boards. That's why I want to show you how to do it. I did it step by step, and if you watch my videos by the end, you will see so many little things what you have to do. Don't watch it like, you know, here is around 12 minutes video. Don't watch in 3 minutes, because you can see all the little things what you have to do when you're doing this installation. So I hope it will be very helpful for you. Okay, let's go. In this area vent, three parts. First part is area vent body, which is we have to insert to duct. Another, it's a flush mount box, which is we have to match with floor height, and another one, it's a tray for wood, which is on the middle of the this vent. My goal to cut hole exactly like flush mount box without any gap. Also need to cut around this hole, you know, some space, because this body of this vent overlapping and higher than subfloor. It's helped to settle this floor more perfect.
Yeah, either we like add it.
For much height of wood, in wood tray I used 3/8 plywood, and I nail it with wood with 3/4 inch nails. I did these pieces of wood very precise to this tray. See how it is nice fitting. Now I'm gluing down this floor, and also I put a little bit more glue around this body of air vent, so I don't need to screw it in, you know, just glue it will be held very properly. So just I put over, when I finish I just put over bucket over on this vent. The next day it's gonna be settled very perfect. In this area vent body we have two dampers. You can pull it up or push it down to match the height of this insert flush with hardwood. I wanna put bucket over this air vent, and next day I have to put screws. It's not finished yet, guys, so let's go to next day. Here is the holes. We have, there is 4 screws for each bucket. When glue is dry, I have to secure a flush mount insert in this area when the body with 4 screws. There is a special holes, and just very simple, you can lift it up or put it down a little bit, this flush mount body, and then screw it in. To open airflow, push down the dampers in the body. You can do it anytime up to installation. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.